Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Near, which I wanted to cover. I mean, I haven't covered this in a while, but I have been looking at it a lot. Also bought quite a few Nears. I think it's in my top 5 holdings in my spot portfolio. It's similar to my holding in Ondo, for example. But no, wanted to give you my thoughts on Near here. I think in general we are in some sort of a bullish market structure, which is always great. Near is also a project that's related to AI with the OpenAI announcement yesterday. It was a little bit underwhelming, but still we have some major developments coming from them in the next couple of months, and we also have NVIDIA earnings May the 22nd. So AI could actually rally quite a bit. And then apart from that, if you look at Near and you look at the network, that has solidly been growing in the last 2 months, whereas most networks like Solana, Polygon, Arbitrum, whatever, have not grown that much. So fundamentally, there's also a reason to be bullish on Near. And technically, like I said, if you look at this formation, basically since the bottom we made the 14th of April, we've been in an uptrend. All right, you can very easily just say that this is the formation right here. The lows are getting higher and the highs are staying the same, so that right now we're ramping up towards 7.5 and 7.6, which is the main resistance level. And eventually, if you look at this market formation, usually you get a bullish breakout after this. Now, will we get a bullish breakout? I don't know. It's difficult to say. If you look at Near right here, for example, you can see that the momentum right now is relatively high, but the momentum over the last 2 weeks or so has been very much up and down. So can you really work with that? I don't know. It also seems a little bit manipulated with some big buys coming in, for example, the 9th of May, and then just a continued sell-off from the 10th of May into the 13th of May. So that usually means that whales are buying a huge amount and then just VWAP selling them right here. That's not great. If that happens again right here, then price will not break above 7.6 and 7.5. But then again, the technical structure is relatively bullish. We have fundamentals with the network, but also AI that could give it that final push. And Bitcoin, in the end, is difficult to say right now, but that will have an effect as well. So in general, what I would say is wait for a breakout, wait for confirmation. All right. If I would have to, and that's also obviously we're doing a price prediction here. So if I would have to give you my most likely scenario, I would say that for now I don't see any reason to break out, but I would say that eventually we will break above 7.6 to rally up to 8.5 and potentially $9 at those previous highs right here. All right, so this triple top. I would say that's most likely, but that is dependent on the markets. All right, right now Bitcoin is very up and down. If Bitcoin gets a bullish breakout and some momentum, I think Near will get that breakout, all right? Because Near, if you compare it to other cryptos over the last couple of weeks, especially, Near has been the strongest performer, right? So if the market does great, and if we do get some momentum, I think Near will perform as well. But if we don't get that momentum, then I don't see the breakout happening. Like I said, there is some manipulation going on here. The resistance from 7.5 and 7.6 up until now has been very strong. So the only way to break through that is some sort of additional force pushing it above that, which in my eyes would be the market. So that's a possibility. If Bitcoin breaks above 63,500, Near will break out. Otherwise, I just think we'll consolidate here. All right, so consolidate in this region between 7.6 and $6. So keep your eyes on that level around 7.6, wait for the confirmation, but do keep your eyes on there. All right, those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.